Hot Rod Patrol. Here's a nice old dusty, rusty one for you. It's sitting on a Camaro chassis. Not a half bad price. It's got rust and weight reduction in all the right spots. I absolutely fell in love with this thing. If I had room and time for the project, this thing would have came home with me for sure. It's just a travesty to think that it might sit somewhere and never ever see the road again. Man, somebody save this thing and blow the dust off it and maybe a couple nasty burnouts down at Rumble at the Ranch here in Florida will be awesome.